Hello class, today we're going to be learning how to solve a two-step equation using inverse operations. So let's get started. What is inverse operations? Inverse operations are operations that undo each other, like addition and subtraction or multiplication and division. Let's solve this problem together. Here, we want to find the variable x, and one way by doing that is by undoing our equation. Right here we have addition. Subtraction undoes division. So here we're going to convert it to a subtraction and we're going to bring the 4 down, and this cancels out. We're going to bring it to the other side, the 4, and we're going to solve this. 19 minus 4 equals 15. And we're going to bring our equation down and we're going to continue. Right here, we're going to solve this section. 3 is being multiplied by x, and the way to undo that is by division. So we're going to divide right here, and this is going to cancel out. We're going to bring it to the other side as well, and we're going to divide. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So 5 is your missing variable. So here you have your answer. But it's always good to double check your answers. And one way to doing that is by placing the 5 where the x was at, right here. So let's solve this. If we add all of this together, it needs to be 19, and that's how we know our answer is correct. So right here, we're gonna multiply 3 times 5 equals 15. We're gonna bring this down, plus 4. We're going to solve this. 15 plus 4 equals 19. Here, we know that both our answers are correct. And this is how you solve an equation. Now, let's review. Step 1 is to undo additions or subtractions. Then you're going to bring down your equation, and the second step is to undo multiplication or division. So let's practice more.